What's going on, ATL Hoops? We got private run today. We headed out to DeKalb County. Real hoops, real comp, no crowd. And y'all gonna see, y'all gonna find out. Tap in, let's go. What's going on, ATL Hoops? We out here in DeKalb County. We got private runs today. We got about 20 to 25 people showing out today. It's about 2:30 right now. We're gonna wait till 2:45 till we're able to walk in. Let's go, tap in, like, subscribe. Good hit, boy. Shoot that. Foot. Take your time, boy. Take your time, boy. Take your time. Let's go. Yeah. Right side over here. Shot, boy. Come on. Come on, do that. Slow. Grab that. Come on. Pass that in, you good. It's out. Ooh. Let's go, that's a bucket. Damn. That's what you want. Oh! Hell no. Oh, game. Damn. Fuck. Good shit, boy. Good shit. Good shit. Fuck. All right, guys, who we here with today, man?
Big Glow Global J, man.
Hey, how'd you find out about ATL Hoops?
Shit, my boy Dylan, he was on TikTok posting a lot of content. I messed with it, you feel me? Hit him up. Went to see it. It was perfect.
All right, what keeps you coming back to ATL Hoops? What do you think about private runs?
It's like a family, like a home, you know? Like, come over here, it's a good vibe, good pace, you know? Keep me in cardio, you know? Get locked in and everything.
I like that. Tell the folks tap in, man.
Hell yeah. Follow ATL Hoops, follow Global J, you feel me?
Let's go.
Can we get past that straight up? 9 by 2? What's that mean? Win by 2 at 9? All right.
Get past that.
12. All right.
Trade ball.
Come on with it. I'm tweaking. My bad, fool. Put on the line.
Yeah, that's the one.
My bad, fool.
Too much pain in my heart, can't explain that sound. Smiles on my face, but I still feel down.
Every loss taught me how to stand tall again. Every scar just remind me where I've been.
If I fall, I'ma rise, that's a part of the game. This is my life, my story, that hood poetry name. Talked to God last night, told him show me the way. Too much pain in my heart, can't explain that sound. Smiles on my face, but I still feel down.
All right, what up, guys? Who we here with?
Jace,
All right, how'd you find out about ATL hoops, man?
through you, man. We've been going back for a long time when we was working out at the gym together.
All right, what keeps you coming back to ATL private runs?
It's a good bump. Every time you come back, the competition's getting better. So it's just a good bump. Gets me better, gets everybody else better.
All right, tell the folks tap in, man.
Tap in, ATL Hoops, man.
Let's go. Ooh, good hit. Damn. I'm behind you. Good hit. Let's do it. Let's do it. Damn. Hey, 4-2 us. Good pass, boy. Let's go. What it, 5-3? 5-3, 5-3. You got it. Oh! Let's go. That's fucking fool. That's fool. Fuck. What, that sevens? Nah, it's game. Fuck, man. Fuck. Okay. All right, who we here with today?
We're here with Zan.
What's your favorite part about popping out to the ATL Hoops private runs?
I ain't gonna lie, the best part about it is traveling all around the city. You know what I'm saying? Get to see what each part has to offer.
All right, now one more question. What do you think about the competition level about ATL Hoops?
I ain't gonna lie, it's all around. I'm not even gonna lie.
That's for
Shit,
sure.
you might find somebody who will dunk on your head. You might find somebody who will get some lucky shots off. You just gonna have to pop out and see.
All right, man, tell the people tap in.
Hey, everybody tap in with ATL Hoops, man. My boy Dylan running some real shit right here. Y'all
Let's
know
go.
that. Tap in.
Tap in. That's money.
Yes, sir.
That's money.